Good morning, students. So in the previous class we were discussing the lesson number 4, that is Chennai. And in this lesson already we have discussed about the location and climate of Chennai. Next we have discussed about the government offices which are located in Chennai, and economic utility services and transport services we have discussed, and also people, culture and food of Chennai. So in today's class we are going to discuss the remaining part of this lesson, that is famous buildings, places and beaches. Famous buildings, places and beaches. So as we have already discussed that the climate and the food of Chennai is very famous. So in the same way there are so many buildings in Chennai, so many buildings which are worth visiting, and also there are some of the very popular places are there. Places like temples are there, parks are there, amusements are there, okay, and also very beautiful beaches are there. So, you know that first one is fort. A fort is there in the Chennai, that is called as George. See here. So, Fort George is a very important tourist attraction. So first write down all the points, then I will explain one by one. Okay. So next a very famous temple is there called Kapleshwar. Temple. And one more temple is there, that is Parthasarathi. Temple. These both temples are very famous in Tamil Nadu, we can say. And next, see here. So the government museum is there. The government museum in Chennai is one of the first museum of India. Okay. And next, National Art Gallery. Okay. Next, Snake Park is there. Snake Park. Okay. Next, Gandhi, Mandapam, and last, Thomas Cathedral. Okay. And next, if we talk about beaches here, the very famous beach is here, that's called Marina Beach. Okay. Marina Beach is very famous in Chennai because people used to say that it is a very longest beach, and also the BGP. Okay, the BGP Golden Beach. The BGP Golden Beach is also very famous here. Okay, so that's something about the famous buildings, places and beaches. So see here. First one, Fort George is an important tourist attraction. Of course, it is worth visiting. So whenever you are going to visit the Chennai, don't forget to visit George Fort George. It is a very famous building which is located in Chennai. And next one, two temples are very famous in Tamil Nadu. Those are the Kapileshwar temple and Parthasarathi temple. These both temples are very big and very beautiful. So you must visit these temples. And next, the government museum. So we can say that India's first museum is located in Chennai, and the name of that museum is the Government Museum. So it is in Chennai and it is one of the first museums of India. Okay, and next, National Art Gallery. Some other places like National Art Gallery is there. Next, Snake Park is there. Next, Gandhi Mandapam is there. Next, the last one, Thomas Cathedral. Okay, Cathedral. So these are the some very famous places which are worth visiting. Okay, so if we talk about now beaches, Chennai is also very famous for beaches like Goa. Okay, so some of the very famous beaches like Marina Beach and the BJP Golden Beach. Actually, except these two beaches, still many more beaches are there, but these two are very famous in Chennai. Those are the Marina Beach and the BJP Golden Beach. Okay, so that's something about the famous buildings, places and beaches. So except all of these, there are also zoo are there, animal zoo are there. Okay, so those are the Anne Zoological Park is one of the biggest in South Asia, and more than 120 species of mammals are there. Okay, 170 species of mammals, birds and reptiles are found here. That's because we can say that it is the one of the biggest zoological park in South Asia. Okay, so yes, also there are so many big churches are there, and one of the best church which is found in Chennai is Mary's Church. It is also a very beautiful church which is found in Chennai. Okay, so this is about famous buildings, places and beaches are there. So next we will discuss some of the question and answers which they have given here in the page number 194. So before starting that, just write it down. Okay, so next, see here. They have questions in the page number 194. So just write it down. Write the correct option. Write the correct option. So the first one is, and you have to answer in yes or no. They have given two boxes for each. One is for yes and another one is no, for no. So you have to put the right mark by reading those questions. Okay. So the first one is here. Earlier Chennai was known. Chennai was known as Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. So here they have given two boxes. So one is for yes, another one is for no. Okay. Now second one is the British traders. The British traders came to Chennai. Came to Chennai in the 16th century, and again they have given two boxes here. Now the third one, that is Tamil and English. Tamil and English languages are spoken in Chennai. Spoken in Chennai. And again here also they have given two boxes. Now the fourth and the last one is Onam is an important harvest festival. Celebrated in Chennai. Okay, so see here. Let's see the answers of all these questions. First one. Earlier Chennai was known as Tamil Nadu. Is it? No, it is no. Because still, not only earlier, but still the Chennai is known as Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai, but Chennai is not known as Tamil Nadu. So the answer is no. So put the right mark in the no box. Second one. The British traders came to Chennai in the 16th century. No, it is no. Because not the British, but the Portuguese. Okay. The Portuguese came to Chennai in the 16th century. Okay. Now third one. Tamil and English languages are spoken in Chennai. Yes, it is right. So put the right mark in the yes box. Only Tamil and English are the only languages which are spoken in Tamil Nadu, not any other languages. Okay. Now last one. Onam is an important harvest festival celebrated in Chennai. No, it is not. Put the right mark in the no box. Because not Onam but Pongal. Okay. The Pongal is the festival. It is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu, not Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Okay. So the festival which is celebrated in Chennai is Pongal. Keep it in mind. Okay. So yes, these are the question with answers. Earlier Chennai was known as Tamil Nadu. No. The British traders came to India in the 16th century. No. Next, Tamil and English languages are spoken in Chennai. Yes. Next, Onam is an important harvest festival which is celebrated in Chennai. No, it is no. Okay. So these are the some question and answers. Okay. So just write it down. After this we will discuss about the amusement parks, shopping malls and markets. So if we discuss this topic, this lesson will be finished. Okay. So just write it down. Okay, so after this, if we talk about the amusement parks, shopping malls and markets, see here. So amusement parks comprises all the modern facilities. Of course, the meaning of amusement parks in the sense it contains or it involves everything that is having modern facilities. Okay, and a popular amusement park in Chennai, that is Kishkinda. Okay, Kishkinda is one of the famous amusement park which is located in Chennai. And next, other amusement parks in Chennai are Dash and Splash and Dolphin City. These are the very famous amusement parks which are located in Chennai. First one is Kishkinda, and after this Dash and Splash and Dolphin City. These three are very famous amusement parks which are located in Chennai. Okay. So next, Chennai is the paradise for shoppers. Yes, shoppers in the sense it is very famous for shopping because it is having several shopping malls in Chennai. So there are many shopping malls in Chennai like Spencer Plaza. Spencer Plaza, it is the name of mall. Next, Gold Mall. Next, City Center and Fountain Plaza. These four shopping malls are very famous in Chennai. Let's see one more time. First one is Spencer Plaza. Next, Gold Mall. Next, City Center and Fountain Plaza. These four shopping malls are very famous in Chennai. Next, the famous Mount Road has several emporiums like Indian silk sari. Okay, Indian silk sari from the Kanchipuram are available at prominent marketplaces of Milapur and Pondi Bazaar at T Nagar. Some of the saris are very famous in Chennai, and Kanchipuram sari is one of them. Kanchipuram sari from Chennai is very famous, and where it is found? It is found in the places of first one is Milapur, next Pondi Bazaar and T Nagar. Okay, so this is about the amusement parks, shopping malls and markets in Chennai. Okay, so here this lesson has finished. The lesson number 4 Chennai is finished, and the question and answers of this lesson I will send you in WhatsApp in a PDF form. So just by seeing that PDF, write it down the question and answers of this lesson in your notebook. In tomorrow's class we will discuss. We will start a new lesson, that is lesson number 5, early humans. Okay, so this is it for today. We will start the next class in tomorrow's class.